Hello, today we're making latna, which means to pour upon, is like a gravy dish that you can serve on rice or on noodles. Today I'm using my homemade flat noodles, but you can use store-bought ones. I'll start by making a slurry with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and a couple tablespoons of water. Stir it and set it aside. In case you're wondering, these are the sauces that I'm using today. I'll start by heating up a wok with a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then I'll add my flat noodles with about a tablespoon of sweet soy and a tablespoon of seasoning sauce and give that a toss for just a couple minutes until the noodles are done. I'll remove the noodles, clean the wok, and add another tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then I'll add about a tablespoon of minced garlic, and I'll let that cook until it's fragrant for about 30 seconds before adding my chicken. We'll start adding our seasoning sauce, and oyster sauce, and just a little bit of sugar, about a half a tablespoon. We'll let that cook until our chicken is thoroughly cooked before adding our vegetable. I'm using Chinese broccoli and carrots, but you can use any other vegetable you like. We'll let that cook for a minute or two before adding our broth. I'm using 2 cups of unsalted chicken broth, and then we'll add our slurry and let that cook until the cornstarch thickens and you get a gravy. That's served on the prepared noodles or on rice. You can add a little bit of chili flakes for heat or a little splash of vinegar just for brightness. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. For this recipe and more, visit craftstocrumbs.com.